How to make money on Freelancer as a WordPress plugin developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform and the business owners. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to find or to hire a WordPress plugin developer, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill categories and give it a few seconds to load. These skill categories take a little bit of time to load, but it's worth it because you can find any skill you're searching for in there. So here the first category we have is website, IT, and software. So I think this is where we're going to find the skill we're searching for. So let's go to the letter W. Scroll down to find the letter W. We have here web API, web application, web design, web services. We need to find WordPress, Windows, WordPress plugin. So this is what you were looking for. So let's click on that. And here, as you can see, you can hire expert WordPress plugin developers for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. So here, click on see more WordPress plugin developers. And let's check someone's profile just to show you what we're going to learn in today's video. And now it's showing 209 results. But if we've removed online users as a filter, we will be able to see more than that. So here we have 8,109 results. So you have more than 8,000 competitors. So we need for real to stand out in front of those competitors with a great description, a great profile picture, a great service, and a suitable hourly rate, and a great headline as well. Just check someone's profile, someone with a lot of reviews. Let's check this one's profile, even though he has just one review, but I think he has more. Just the website showing one. Let's wait for it to load. And here, as I said, he has more than one review. As you can see, more than 1,000 reviews, and he's a top notch in this category. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how to add a cover photo to your profile, how to add a profile picture as well, how to add your hourly rate and your whereabouts. And also I'm going to show you how you can add your description. And in this description, guys, just make sure to make a great description, a description that will stand out amongst the competitors. So here this one said expert web info tech offers professional and high quality web development services and those stuff. Then he said, why choose us? And that's a great question to have in your profile. Keep that in mind, guys, and make sure to have a question like that in your description as well. And I'm also going to show you how you can upload your portfolio to the platform, because clients would never hire someone without even know the kind of job he's doing. And make sure to have a great portfolio, a great samples of your job to show to your clients or possible clients. So let's close this window and let's go to the main one. Click on the logo to start creating our profile. So here, click on earn money freelancing, and then you move on to fill in the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to move on with my username and my password. Then click on login. and give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be redirected to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So let's go to this button in your top right. It's where you can control everything about your account and your finances. You can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. You can also head to the support if you've encountered any problems that you can't solve. You can invite your friends by clicking on this link. You will be provided with a link that will make you get rewards after inviting your friends. And if you want to log out, that's easy as well. And here in your account, you can view your profile, you can check your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. So let's go to view our profile. We have a lot of adjustments to make in here. So here, let's start first by editing the profile. So click on edit profile in here. As you can see, the email verification is required. After that, you move on to adding a profile picture. The profile picture is also important. You cannot work in here without a profile picture. The client won't hire you if you don't have one. Then you move on to adding a cover photo as well. It's important too. Then you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers, and then make sure to verify your identity through issued ID check and a proof of address, and verify your payment method, your phone number, and connect your Facebook account. Then you move on to add in your hourly rate, and then you head to add in your professional headline and your summary, which is the description. It's where you're going to type the question we saw before, why choose me, and then you move on to the add in your top skills. So here, let's add your skills. Let's remove this one, and let's search for WordPress plugin developer. We have WordPress plugin. Let's remove plugin and let's go with WordPress. We have WordPress only, WordPress design, and then scroll down and click on save to save these adjustments. Then click on browse and go to projects to find jobs you can apply for. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.